Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My
Hello.
name is Rotifa. I'm from group 9 and my partner Mimi Janatul Hayat and Muhammad Ali Muzaki. Today we will present about critical race and studies. For the first material explained by me, the first opening move, A. The race turn. The race turn refers to the shift in literary studies and social theory that increasingly focus on how race and shape discourse, representation, and social structure. This shift emerged as response to the dominance of European thought in cultural and literary studies, which often disregarded the experiences and perspective of Black people and other racial minorities. This theory was influenced by the civil rights movement, the Black Power movement, and post-colonial studies, which emphasizes how systemic racism affect identity formation and cultural development. The next, Du Bois and social theory explain about WIB. Du Bois was one of the most influential thinkings in race studies and social theory. One of his key concepts, double consciousness, which described how Black individuals in American experience tension in their identity because they must see themselves passed through the lens of white society. In his book, The Soul of Black Folk, he criticized the idea that Black people should assimilate into white culture to be accepted. For the see how color and Black aesthetics, color urged that the racial experiences of Black and white Americans were so fundamentally different that there could be not real compatibility between their literary tradition. He asserted that Black writers would always be aware of their historical of slavery and their African heritage, which set them apart of white American writers. This perspective led to his belief that Black aesthetics should embrace and celebrate this distinctiveness rather than seek validation within white literary tradition. He famously linked his ideas to the Black is beautiful movement, reinforcing the importance of pride in Black identity and culture. For the next, Larry Neal, Myth and Racial Memory. Neal placed particularly emphasis on the figure of the trickster, a recurring character in African mythology now for its cunning and ability to subvert dominant power structures. He saw this figure as symbolic of Black consciousness and resistance against white interpretative frameworks. This theme of resistance was also reflected in Neil. Focus on griots, oral historians, sage and soothsayers, as well as in Black dance, rhythms, and music, which is considered essential components of Black aesthetic. Number 2, rough and different. Henry Louis Gates, Jr. and Sidney Fine. Henry Louis Gates Jr. developed the concept of significance as a model of African American literary theory, heavily influenced by post-structuralism and African mythology. In his book, Figures in Black, 1987, and The Significant Monkey, 1988, he explores how African American texts use wordplay, irony, and repetition as a form of resistance against dominant white narrative. The next American aesthetic theory. African American aesthetic theory is rooted in the Black aesthetic movement, which emphasized the importance of culture expressions that reflect the history and experience of Black people. Thinkers such as Henry Louis Gates, Hazel Harvey, Hortense Spillers, Bell Hooks, and Stuart Hall highlight how racial identity influenced the creation and interpretation of art. For the next explanation, Mimi, can you explain again about mixed race and multi-ethnic culture study? Because your connection internet is bad.
Okay. Mixed race and multi-ethnic culture studies, mestiza politic and tourist, being black while being British. So next. New theories of difference. Jacques Derrida, hospitality and cosmopolitanism. Jacques Derrida developed the concept of hospitality and cosmopolitanism in response to globalization, migration, and refugee crisis. According to Derrida, hospitality is a relationship between a host and a guest. However, he argued that true hospitality, unconditional hospitality, is nearly impossible because they are always limited and conditions imposed by the host. Next. Roberto Esposito, bios and immunity. Roberto Esposito developed a theory on bios, life, and the concept of social immunity. He argues that modern society functions like an immune system. They create boundaries to protect themselves from external threats, including immigrant, racial minorities, and refugees. Next. Iowa on the refugee and flexibility citizenship. Iowa Ong is an anthropologist who examines how nations handle refugees and immigrants in the era of globalization. She developed the concept of flexible citizenship, where certain individuals and groups can move between countries to gain economic and political advantage. Next. Nanti dipotong aja giliran Bang Zaki lagi. Balik Nur.
Ini giliran siapa lagi?
Thank you for your explanation, Mimi. For the next explanation, data analysis, they don't care about you, Michael Jackson. Explain to Bang Zaki.
Okay, thank you. First material is lyric and critique systematic racism. CRT highlight how racism is not just an individual issue, but is also structured within the laws, policies, and social instruction. In this song, Jackson voiced how certain groups experience systematic discrimination and oppression. The key lyric is skinhead, deadhead, everybody gone bad, situation, act fashion, everybody, and allegation. This lyric depict a society rife with prejudice and injustice, where minorities are often scapegoat for various social issues. This aligns with the concept of CRT, which criticizes how laws and media often perceive and negative racial stereotypes against certain groups. Next. The key lyric is I'm tired of being victim of the shame. They're throwing me in the class with a bad name. I can't believe this is the land from which I come. Jackson highlights how people of color are often stigmatized and treated as second-class citizens. This reflects his argument on CRT that racial discrimination is part of the social structure that defines who has access to rights and opportunities. Next. The critique of state violence, legal injustice. CRT highlights how the legal system often acts injustice towards certain racial groups. The song alludes to how state violence, but in the form of police brutally with legal injustice, often target communities of color. The key lyric is, "Tell me what has become of my right. Am I invisible cause you ignore me?" This lyric reflects how black individual and minority groups often feel their rights are ignored, especially within the criminal justice system. This relates the theory of the racialized mass incarceration, where black communities experience disproportionately higher whether imprisonment due to discriminatory police. Next. Media reaction and censorship of the song. When the song was released, Jackson received heavy criticism for some of the lyrics being deemed controversial. However, within the context of CRT, this reaction reflects how this discourse of racism is often censor of the minorities to protect the status. Jackson himself explained that the song was a form of a protest against discrimination and was not intended of offend anyone. However, the criticism of this lyric show how discussion of systemic racism are often ignored or dismissed, which is a central theme in CRT. Next. So, this is the first conclusion. The song They Don't Care About is highly relevant to critical race theory because it critiques systemic racism and how certain groups experience discrimination in society. It highlights legal injustice and how the state uses violence against minorities. It demonstrates how criticism of racism is often censored, also means contrite to maintain the existing system. The song is not an expression of Michael Jackson's anger and frustration with injustice, but also a global call to challenge racism and discrimination. Next. Number 2, the conclusion. Critical race studies highlight how race identify and social structures shape individual and collective experience. From Du Bois' concept of double consciousness, which describe the tension of black identity, a white dominated in society, to Gate, signifying which explore African American linguistic creativity as form as resistance. These theories emphasize that race is not just a biological category but a social construct with a political, economic, and cultural implication. The work of Hai Fuller, Larry Neal, and Gloria Anazaldúa further that illustrate how racial ethnic identities influence aesthetic and self-expression, particularly in marginalized communication. Meanwhile, scholars Jacques Derrida, Roberto Esposito, and Aihua Ong examine how race and migration intersect with the global power structure, showing how concept is hospitality, social community, and flexible citizenship determine who is accepted and who remains excluded. Ultimate, this perspective reveals that racial identity is deeply intertwined with the broader system of power, shaping literature, culture, and policy worldwide. Next.
Okay, thank you for the explanation for Ali Muzaki. Okay, guys, I think that's all our presentation. When you have a question, you can ask in the class. Thank you for watching my video presentation group. I think that's all. I close. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wow.